So Mitch, tell us how you took this guy down in the end. What exactly was it that finished him?
I think my kicks were what really threw him off. I was throwing kicks on both sides, and I was hurting his lead leg a little bit, and he was stepping into the body shot with the kick. So he switched the front legs on me, and that was kind of he shouldn't have done that because he kind of smelled blood. Chopped his leg some more, then he was kind of switching back and forth, just real uncomfortable. I felt he took some hard punches. I hit him pretty hard, and he kept coming. I saw a previous fight of his, and I knew he was going to be tough. I knew he had a lot of power in his right hand, so I stayed cautious with the right hand. But besides that, I knew my conditioning was better, my hands were better, more technical, and that was going to be the difference, not so much just power in one punch.
What did you finally finish him with? Was it a right hand? And
I think I tagged him with a body shot. Did I kick him in the stomach? And then I threw a body shot and threw a hook. It was a hook.
Right hook?
Right hook. I dropped him, then he was falling down, and I kicked him once, and that was it.
Yeah, he was already done when you kicked him.
Yeah, he was falling. I didn't want to. Last time I won my fight, I beat him and then kind of stopped and walked away until it was over, and kind of almost ran back in there. So I just wanted to make sure it was done. So I just finished, followed it up.
So now you go to 2-0, is that right?
2-0, yeah.
And what's next for you? What do you want to do next?
Just straight from here, I'm going to start being a punching bag for Joker. He has a title fight in King of the Cage in December, so I'm going to do what I can to help him out, because I owe him everything with my team. So I'm going to stay in there and just continue to work, try to progress and get better. If I could, I just want to thank Driving Force Sports and Booyah for helping me out and all my team.
All right, Mitch, thanks a lot, man.